Guys, welcome to my Architecture. Today I'm going to show you how to set up after installation the Windows 10 or Windows 7 anything, how to set up the basic software with your laptop or PC. So let's start the video. And the first windows like this, and first of all you have to add the desktop icons. So you have to follow the steps and open the settings and just select the theme and just scroll down and desktop icon settings and click that one and choose whatever you want to in your desktop and just click OK. And now just close the window and just refresh. Then you can see the order. In next step we have to download the Google Chrome from your Microsoft Edge. So first of all you just open your Microsoft Edge software, then just search the Google Chrome, and the first link you can download Google Chrome. And why I'm using to download the Google Chrome, because this Google Chrome every PC and laptop it's a basic Chrome browser, the Google browser, so best browser. So first of all we need to download the Google Chrome and just download that one, and after that we need to do step by step every drivers and software on the PC. So and now I'm downloading the Google Chrome from the site. And now the Google Chrome is downloading the latest one, because we are just download the setup file from online one, so waiting for to download. And let's see in the new latest Google Chrome. And now the downloading is going in 15 seconds, 3 seconds. Once you download the application, just and click the open the software, it will be automatic download the latest one, and installing also will be done in automatic, so you don't want to do anything else. So this is a simple method, you don't want to worry about the Google Chrome installation. And once you're done the Google Chrome installation, and we have to download the drivers all in one software. So in here just type DRP online in the first link you have to download from online. This is DRP means a driver pack online, and the first link we are going to open, then just download the DRP, the driver pack online software. Once you download, then you have to check before also you have to check the my computer device manager, the drivers are updated or there is something missing over here. You can see the audio drive was missing and the graphics drive already installed. So Once you're done, you just install the software and just open the driver pack, and here we have to choose the open expert mode. Expert mode we can choose manually which software you need, which one you don't need, or you can choose uh, the expert mode. So just choose the, and here I'm just choose only the some few software to install, and after that I just choose the drivers I'll give to all to be update. Here you can see the drivers, and I will give to all everything to update. Once you are done the 100%, and you can restart the laptop or PC. After restart my laptop, the audio drive is still not working, so I'm going to troubleshoot what's the problem about the audio drive. First of all, you have to go to your device manager, and there you can see all of the drivers issues. You have to open the device manager on your right button about the computer, and here you can see the audio drive still some problems, so I'm going to update the audio drive. First of all, you have to click the right button about the audio drive issue, then update drive, then just browse from my computer, then choose the drivers. Here you can see two drivers, so I'm going to select the first one, then next, and here yes. We have to wait the installation. Now the installation is done, so here you can see my audio, it's working. There's the some driver unselected issue, so I'm going to select the which one is suitable for this laptop. Next we are going to download the Total Security 360. First of all, you have to search in your Google Chrome and download the link, and just download your latest software Total Security antivirus. Once you are downloaded, just install the one. It's totally free security. It's best and totally free for use. Install. Now we are installed the antivirus, and here you can use this antivirus for free. I hope guys you enjoy this video, so we can see the next video and something else. And please subscribe the channel and like the videos. Thank you.